Today, Realme unveiled its latest flagship, the GT7 Pro. This powerful device, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, features the world's first underwater photography mode. Dive into stunning shots with its impressive camera setup, including a 50MP main sensor with OIS and a unique telephoto lens. The GT7 Pro boasts a 6.78 Eco 2.0 LED Plus display, known for its energy efficiency and peak brightness of 6,000 nits, one of the brightest out there. With an IP68/69 rating, it's built for adventure, making it perfect for capturing underwater moments. On the software side, Realme UI 6.0, based on Android 15, offers cool AI features like sketch-to-image and game super resolution. Plus, the massive 6,500 mAh battery supports fast 120W charging. Available in Mars Orange, Galaxy Gray, and an exclusive white for China, the GT7 Pro starts at CNY 3,599, around $505. Keep an eye out for its international release later this month.